Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the official wireless headphone 5-in-1 wireless headphones, wireless net chat, monitoring, FM radio and wired headphones. So this is the box from the side, the top, the other side, the back and the bottom of the box. So now we can get into the box to see what we have. So headphones, cable, stand, and an instruction manual which we may or may not need, but for this video we do not require the instruction manual, only for when it comes to testing the product on computers. So one wire inside the headphone, the second wire inside the emitter. So microphone check, and this would then go into the back of the computer. Tower, many ports your machine has. That's for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, how to unboxing video. Thanks for now.